So guys, because I had to check this bag in, and the reason why I got a check bag, let me start from the beginning actually. The reason why I took such a big bag with me is because the cruise that I'm going on leaves from Seattle and then it goes to Alaska. And I was always told when I did my research, speaking to different people that had been to Alaska before, that had been on the cruises before, on other YouTube videos, they always said that you should pack for winter. Like you really need to layer your outfits when you're going to Alaska because the weather can change between 40 degrees to 70 degrees in the summer. Today is August 11th. My cruise leaves from August 12th through the 19th. Okay, so coming back to Seattle. So I said, all right, fine. Since I have to pack so much, let me get the huge suitcase instead. And then on top of all of that, it's a business trip. See, this is the Investor Addicts Cruise, right? So I said, well, you know what? Everything is going to be tax deductible anyway. Plus I have points and miles that I can use that I have not used as of yet. So that's another reason why I said I'll get the big bag. Now on Delta, they charge $35 for big bags like this. However, if you are in their Sky Miles program, then the baggage is supposed to be for free. Okay, that's how that goes. Okay. So the other thing I wanted to point out to you, I had run into some problems. I got to the airport very early, but here's the problem. See, I've had my bag when I used to check my bags in taken from me. People always mistook my bag for their bag, right? It wasn't like they were trying to, thief me, steal from me, whatever, right? So what I did was I said, let me get one of these luggage covers. When I found out about them, I was like, okay, cool. It'll make my luggage stand out. The only thing is, I don't know if you guys can see, but the airlines really messed it up. They made it so dirty. When it came, it was nice and clean and pretty, and I had everything, decked out and everything. But as you can see, they messed up my cover. Now, I would like to say this to you. I was thinking about, let me just also get real close so that you guys can see how they really messed it up. It wasn't doing all of this when I got this. It was in pristine condition. But what I found out is you can have your own luggage cover. You can tailor it so that, you can put your picture on there, or you can put your business logo on there. It's a way to advertise your business. So I was thinking about that after the fact. So I said, you know what? Next time around. But what I realize now, especially looking at this, I'm going to have to do a little bit more research as to picking the best material. I got this actually from Shein, so it really didn't cost me that much. But to customize it, like if you go on Amazon, it's going to cost you at least $17, right? So that's something to think about. The other issue, or the main issue I had, is I could not pull this up and down. The reason why is because, see, I had this glitter stuff because I like sparkle. I'm of that age. And I had it all the way down, and it was so pretty. It was so pretty. But the problem is that I couldn't bring the handle down. And they would not check my luggage until I brought the handle down. But the reason why it wasn't going down was because of this, not because of the ribbons. So when you're decorating your luggage, to make it stand out so that nobody takes it by accident. Be very careful when decorating this handle, the handle that goes up and down. Now I'm going to have to strip everything off, right? I might leave this on because this is not in the way, but this was preventing it from going down. I'm going to have to clean this off, right? The only handle to decorate where you won't have a problem is this one here, because this one doesn't move. It just stays the same. By the way, I like this brand of suitcase in all different sizes. It's very sturdy. It has 4 wheels. The wheels are also good. They're in great condition. Sometimes, guys, you have to spend a little bit of money in order to have good luggage. Sometimes when you buy that cheap luggage, it don't last you no time. You understand me? So you have to get good quality. But now, like I said, I don't like what they did to my luggage cover. I'm gonna have to look into that and see, find out from people. Not too many people use them though, but just to find out, like which material is the best material. I'm pretty sure I can wash this and it'll be nice and new. And then the other thing too is don't overdo it. I think I definitely overdid it, but I just wanted it to stand out. But I'm gonna still use my luggage cover because can you imagine if I didn't have this cover on, what it would do to my suitcase? Especially if my suitcase was a light color. This suitcase is dark blue, so it might have, camouflaged some of the things, but the other things that, the dirt marks and the scratches, I do think, when I lift this off, I do feel as though it did its job as far as keeping my luggage nice, neat, and clean. All right, so that's all I wanted to report. I'll come back a little later and give you more info.